investment promotion through Tribu Bahandi. Welcome to Food Bazaar in Puregold, coordinating office for the promotion of culture, arts, and investment, supporting local products and businesses. Local business that promotes healthy sweets for everyone. Happy eating with the customized donuts. Shebel's Wine, serving you delicious food, freshly made with love from their kitchen. Cheryl's Goodies, famous dessert shop in Bayawan City. 1282. They also have kimchi, which I never tried before. CJ Pots and Plants, Nitibo that promotes local and native tastes for better nutrition and biodiversity. They never leave local products. They have native coffee, 50 pesos. They also have plants, and they're beautiful. This is the grotto. Delicious food. I used to buy French fries. In this store, they have beauty products for skin, everything in your body. Happy Free. They offer different kinds of local food. Chef Creation. Give us the taste of Italian foods, the experience and taste we ought to try. Okay, the name of the store is Tres Marias. Offers birthday and wedding desserts for our satisfaction. Look at the presentation. Wow! They offer corn products. Wow! A local business that gives us healthy products that we need every day. Cajun offers tasty and delicious products like cake and more. Native food. Wow, native food. From Barangay Taiwan that gives life to native foods. Simple and basic. Foods that everyone wants to have on their table. Don't leave yet. We still have a lot of stores to go, so come on. Linux homemade products. One among the best. Especially the healthy crackers for kids. They also sell fish, real live fish. This is Ninintot Englisherang Bisaya saying, produkto sa Bayawan, atong suportahan.